Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Suncity. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. If you're trying to duplicate a post, you might find it very difficult because you have to either manually copy all the data and paste it in a new post, or you have to go in and save everything to library and then create a new post, import everything from library and then use it. So it might be very difficult. So now you all know that WordPress don't gives you any option to directly duplicate your post. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use a plugin to easily achieve it. So the first thing you need to do is in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover on to plugins and then click on add new. Now in the search box, search for Post Duplicator plugin. This is the plugin we are looking for. So let's install it and then click on activate. Now once the plugin is activated, you have the ability to duplicate posts and pages. So I'll go to my pages and then I'll click on all pages. Here you can find the duplicate page link after every page title. So you can click on that particular duplicate page link to duplicate that particular page. Now in case of posts, it's very similar. Now hover on to posts and then click on all posts. You can see the duplicate post option available besides each of them, just like in pages. You can select a particular page's duplicate option to create its copy. For example, if I want to duplicate this test post, I can click on duplicate link and you can see that instantly a copy of this post has been created. You can configure this plugin settings by hovering on to tools and then click on post duplicator. And then you can customize the settings for duplicated posts. You can set the post status as draft, publish or same as original, post type, post date. It's also possible to adjust the duplicate post title as well as slug. Now once you're done with all of that, you can click on save changes. So this is how you can make use of the post duplicator plugin to give your WordPress website a new functionality of duplicating WordPress pages, post or sometimes even the custom post types. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.